Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Let me start my presentation by asking you all a question. Religion has always been considered a breeding ground for intolerance and fanaticism by critics. And why is that? To them, religious people are too conservative and too restrained without any liberal value. But a society which is completely devoid of rules would never be actually considered a society, as the people living there would be no different from wild animals who act on their instinct. And religion is not intolerant, at least Islam is not. For each and everything that Islam forbids, there is a reason, and not just a superstitious reason, but a scientific one. So let's talk about Islamic lifestyle and lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases are becoming quite common nowadays due to the many unhealthy factors like a bad environment, unhealthy food, smoking, drinking, drugs, etc. And food is one of the major reasons behind it. A look at Iranian past and present lifestyle reveals dramatical changes in eating habits, which not only leads to many chronic diseases and cancer, but also make the body susceptible to many other diseases. The unhealthy lifestyle of Iranians led to the increase in gastrointestinal cancer in recent years. The role of these incidents are becoming quite apparent nowadays, as more than 5% of cancer risk factors are related to people's lifestyle. So in such a situation, where can we go for good advices? Well, you don't have to go so far. The answer is right in front of you. The Holy Quran and the life of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is the best guide. Though many may argue that it is full of prohibitions, the truth is only 3% of Quran is prohibitions and command. And the rest, which is 97%, is full of human ethics, morals, and also many other important themes. For instance, let's take fasting. Fasting means abstinence and abandonment in absolute sense. One of the related instances is in eating and drinking. A person who constantly eats food has an accumulation of nutrition in his body, and cleansing it is done through food scraps. Fasting is a remedy in such cases. God the Almighty says in Holy Quran and that fasting is better for you if you know. Another thing about Islamic lifestyle is that they prohibit pork, blood, dead animals and dog. Now let's take a look at the science behind it. Eating raw or undercooked pork also results in trichinosis, an infection of parasitic roundworms called trichinella, which do not get destroyed even after cooking. While trichinosis symptoms are usually mild, they can become serious, even fatal, especially in older people. As for dog causes many diseases. And also, dog saliva contains a type of bacteria called Porphyromonas grayi, which causes periodontal disease. Blood is prohibited because a body does not have the mechanism to ingest blood. A body may absorb too much iron from the blood that we drink, leading to a condition called iron overload or hemochromatosis. Dead animals are prohibited because when an animal dies under stress, the animal's immune system weakens and some intestinal microorganisms penetrate the intestinal barrier and reach the tissue and cell. As a dead animal no longer have a circulatory system maintaining tissue materials like muscles and organs, the pathogens may increase without internal regulation, and this may consequently be very toxic. These facts prove that an Islamic lifestyle can help you prevent many diseases. Then what about curing them? The Quran says, He does not speak anything of His own desire, it is only a revelation revealed. So traditions of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ on healing are also true, and modern science have proved it through researches after 14th centuries. About Nigella sativa, also known as black seeds. Abu Hurairah narrates that the Prophet said, "Hold on, use this seed, as this is a remedy for every disease except death." And the statement finally led the global scientific community to carry out extensive photochemical and biological investigation on Nigella sativa seed and its oil. The researchers, after having carried out hundreds of scientific researches around the globe, finally came to the conclusion that this tiny plant seed can effectively cure 129 different types of ailment, including 17 types of cancer, hypertension, AIDS, diabetes, etc. And this large number of diseases curable by Nigella sativa proves the authenticity of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's statement. So let me conclude my presentation by stating that Islamic lifestyle has not only many ways to prevent diseases but also to cure them. Thank you.